mother. I'm a good mother. Ain't no gray-haired mother. Good morning. It's hair dye day. As you can see by the shirt that I'm wearing that is absolutely destroyed with hair dye. Anyways, it's day 2 on our road to 20K and we're officially up 9 followers from yesterday. I'm so appreciative of the 9 new people. Just thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. There's a lot going on with the discoloration. Previously I had black hair, fully stripped it, went back to my natural red. So many gray hairs. This is just truly so disrespectful. But we're on a budget right now, so we may or may not be using box dye. This cracks me up how far down they go on the wrist, like. Oopsies. Did I get it? The back is none of my business anyways. I'm a hot mother. I'm a good mother. Ain't no gray-haired mother. Okay, here's the part where I kind of scare myself. Because we're just gonna scoop that up. Put it right back on. Scoop it off and put it right back on. Twist and shout and let it out. As long as it doesn't go on the rug. A little more on the tips. I need a haircut so bad. It's Brittany, bitch. Little extras for the grays. No more gray hair.